Hello, I am here at Watkins Glen State Park here in New York, and today I'm going to be making breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I wanted to bring you along with me to show you how I do that. So obviously we're going to start with breakfast. It is, I think it's around like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I need some coffee. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some water and put it into this. Now I need to turn this on here. That's on. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna grab a bowl out of here for my oatmeal. There's that bowl. My coffee cup. I'm gonna put this on my coffee cup here. Those are for breakfast as well. And one of these filters. There we go. Coffee filter. Cool. Now I just need to put coffee in there. Sweet coffee's in there. That'll stay there, hopefully. Okay. There's that. Now I'm gonna grab my banana. Bananas. Oh. There's that. Oh, I need my spoon. I don't normally keep my spoon there, but I'm gonna put a banana in there and some peanut butter into my oatmeal. So another thing I like to eat in the morning is olive oil. Now, I'm gonna put olive oil in this pot here. If I can get it open. Put olive oil in here. Just a decent amount. I feel like I'm doing a cooking channel right now. Okay, I got olive oil and English muffin up in there. My water is boiling, so I'm going to put this on my coffee and my oatmeal. This is very dangerous. There's that. I'm going to put some here. Then I'll put this on top of here. Low heat. It's pretty low right there. Yeah, I'm just going to wait for this thing to cook. I had to put some peanut butter and cut the banana up and put it in there, and then oh, there goes my pot. Put that there. Oh. I obviously do not have a lot of room here, so I'm working with what I got. So oatmeal is all done, bananas and peanut butter in there, coffee's done, and my English muffin is all toasted up. And all I got to do is put some honey on there, and that thing's ready. This is my coffee container. I'm just going to put some water in there and flush that out, and then put it back where it was in there. Now I just eat my breakfast and drink my coffee. I'm sure in the future I'll change up my breakfast choice. I don't know, here and there. And here and there I'll get an English muffin or a egg McMuffin from McDonald's. Those things are so good. Just egg and cheese, no ham on there. So good. So I got my two dishes here. I'm going to turn this on like so, making sure you can see me. And then I'm just using like a little bit of water here. Okay, that one I'm gonna let this one soak because this one had oil in it. So I'll put the dish soap in there. Let that one soak for just a little bit, and then put some dish soap in that. And then, here we go. Just a little bit of water here at a time. I'm gonna put this over here for now, and then just pretty much go to town. I was actually not gonna put this container in my car, this water container, in my car because I didn't think I'd have enough room. But I am so glad that it fits. And I do have enough room. I'd be dead without it. I probably would not be able to make it. Okay, this one is clean. clean. There, are you happy, Katrina? I'm showing you how I do dishes. My brother's wife is curious. So, let me work on the next one here. Yeah, you pretty much get the idea. You still have to do dishes, even though it's cool and you live in your car and you get to see cool things. You still got to do dishes. All right, now I just make sure that's nice and secure, and then put this back where it was. Put my stupid clothes over there, and there, that's that. Now I will go over here, and then this is way harder with one hand, but yeah, pretty much just dry that out there. Okay, now that that one's dry, put that back onto here. There we go, there's that. Cool. Sick. That's in the bag. This piece of crap broke, and these plates are starting to drive me crazy because I hate the color orange and it's just driving me nuts. I don't know why I bought them. I thought this was the only color I could get. It turns out there's blue, and I think there was a green set. That just sucks. Hate orange. Now I'll put this back over here, just like that. All right, now that that's all done, I'm gonna go check this park out, and then I will see you back over here for lunch. So yeah, see you in like a second. Come on. It's now lunchtime. I got, by the way, this is gonna be super easy. I got a set of bagels here, nice set. Then I've got some tuna here. I just wanted to show you, like, this is what I would be eating, but this tuna is crap. It tastes terrible. I got this at Aldi's. Do not buy this tuna. It's terrible. I would be eating this chicken, canned chicken as well. I haven't tried the chicken yet, but I imagine it's terrible. It came from Aldi's. I'm just gonna eat the bagels because I need to eat these before they go moldy, and these bagels are also not good, but 9 grams of protein. Hell yeah. And I got some leftover coffee. I'm just gonna drink some of that, and some wheat thins that I also got at Aldi's. They're actually not bad. And a banana. Oh God. Ugh. Yeah, sorry about that. I dropped my coffee. But yes, and a banana. Oh, and by the way, I did not spend the night here at all the places to park. You come and park right here. Jesus Christ. Yeah, parking right next to me. Out of this huge parking lot. Oof. P.S. If you're wondering, I did not end up staying here in this park. I slept at a post office last night, and right before you come over here into this little town, there's a Walmart, so I totally could have slept there, but I didn't know. But it ended up working out. I slept fine at the post office. Nobody bothered me. This state park is probably the nicest state park I have ever been to so far. So far, this is the nicest state park. It is, the gorge is unreal. It is absolutely unreal. Now, I should probably throw in like a little clip. All right, I'll make like a little clip of just a little bit of this. I wasn't planning on filming this place, but I'll throw in a little clip of, yeah, you'll see. Oh yeah, I have also been getting really lucky with showers. So the state park before had a shower. I was at, where was I yesterday? Dang it. Oh, Fillmore. Yeah, Fillmore State Park. That was pretty cool. Got to take a shower over there. That one was easy. This one, it's like a little bit of a hike up, and then the campgrounds over there, they won't let like any cars in there. You have to like check in. So I found a little hiking trail to the campground, and then I'm able to take a shower up there. So that's sick. These state parks with the showers. There we go. All right, welcome back to my cooking channel. It's dinner time. It's 5 something. It's 5 o'clock, around that. And I got chicken noodle soup, sweet, protein bar, some more crackers, and some raisins. Can't forget the hot sauce. Put that on everything. What else we got? And water, sweet. So pretty much, you guys know how to cook soup, I would imagine. Oh. And guess where I got the soup from? Yep, Aldi's. I had the beef sirloin last night. That one was all right. It's really not worth the money over there. It's like, I mean, they say you'll save money, yeah, but the quality of the food is, I gotta go return that tuna. It's terrible. Terrible. I'm not going to Aldi's again. FYI. I'm gonna go to Walmart. Walmart, if there's a Publix around. Oh, snap, I forgot. Sorry about the lighting. Lighting's all screwed up now. Hold on, let me adjust this. All right, that's a little bit better. Let me put this back in the frame. Hell yeah. All right. Anyways, as I was saying, City Market in Vermont. I don't know where else there is a city market, but that place was cool. I gotta find more of those city markets. Like, they make sandwiches just like they do with Publix, and Big Y is also cool. Like, any grocery store that sells like custom-made sandwiches is pretty cool in my book. And yes, they did have Italian sandwiches, John and Garrett. There's a such thing. Now it's time to add a little bit of kick. A little bit of kick to it. Okay. I like to put that on eggs in the morning. Sometimes I do make eggs. It's pretty cool. Like, I just use this smaller one, and then I'll put this bigger one on top of there. Put it on low heat. Maybe I'll have to do another cooking episode. Pretty much, yeah, there's just a lot of foods I need to get into. And then when it gets cold out, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to like eat protein bars and nuts and stuff. Ugh. Okay, soup is all gone. And yeah, now that you've seen my kitchen, oh shoot, sorry. You've seen my pantry, you've seen my crib. Now it's time to get on out of here. All right. I mean it. Go on and get. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.